How you all doing? It's been a long time since I've done a vlog video. Yeah, so a lot's happened over the last 6 to 8 months. This brings me on to the what I've been saying about the life of the wolf. This is part 2 of 5. So let me go through a few things. I've been through a lot over the last 19 years, and it's like it's come full circle. Some things happened, some things didn't. Some things I didn't plan for, some things I did. One of those is family issues. Family caused a lot of problems for me. That's why you don't hear me talking about family in my videos. It's more or less bikes. But that's going to change over the next 3-4 months. As some of you well know from watching my videos, the JSXF went. It blew top end valves, took out pistons. Totally wiped out the pistons, so I ended up having to get rid of it. Then I had the ZX 600 A1, which wasn't documented. I lost all footage because of a dodgy GoPro. I take you up that road, don't we? The JSXF broke on this. No problems with this bike. So work I've done on this clutch, I'm going to put a video up. I dropped it. I dropped it a couple of days ago. I dropped it on my ankle, breaking the left hand clutch lever and in the indicator. It's just a good job I had the spare parts to replace them both. Nice little bike this. It is for a 5, it's pretty quick as well. It is since I've done clutch. I spent 6 hours doing clutch. Because every time I thought I got it right, I got it wrong. The clutch that was sent, the clutch friction plates are too big, so I ended up having to use the old slip plates and the new friction plates. Taking a little speed run now if this guy don't go the same way. Oh, he has as well. Oh. Yeah, this is done. As you've seen from some of my videos, I've got an event coming up on 5th of November 2020. That's a special event as well. A meeting at Costa Coffee in Etman Wyke, travelling to Lee Road in Ravensthorpe, and then to Squires at Sherburn and Helmet. It's a big bikers cafe. What I would advise with it being November, I'd wrap up warm, as it's probably going to be cold. It's not too bad when I'm on this, because it's a commuter bike, so it'll basically go anywhere. But LEEBO and his Ninja struggles a bit at rain, like any super bike would. Blinker on. I do that myself. I don't know why she can't hear it, she's in a car. I just had to. I got a new GoPro as well, I'm just waiting for a mount for it. Fucking van. Done it again, indicator. I don't know why I warned that woman, because I keep doing it myself. Cattle, calling the kettle black. Left here. Can show your own bike then. It's cold. I should be wearing gloves. I know some of you are gonna badger me for it. So we got 2003 the Kawasaki ER500. It does have a bracket which goes there, but because I've had to do the clutch, I'm going to have to take the side case, spray the side casing back to black as well because I scratched it. Other than that, it's a nice bike. It's just a shame I dropped it and caught them two. Put them stubbies on, which I had from another bike, which fitted alright. Other than that, it's alright. But it's like I've said in a couple of previous videos that 5th of November, once the run is over, once I've finished at Squires, that's it. I'm hanging my helmet and keys up. Won't be riding anymore. For a couple of reasons, really. One of them, my ankle won't take another operation. When I dropped the bike on my ankle, as you'll see in the video, I caused a fair bit of bruising and swelling, and when they did the x-ray, they noticed that it had been drilled twice, and they said if I'd have broke it, they wouldn't have been able to drill it a third time. My first operation was in 2008, second operation 2014 to repair the brake I had from another accident, not on a bike. For a situation I had going on at the time, I broke it. And say the other reason, I know I keep breaking it, it's because of watching these drivers in front of me. Some of them, I don't know what some of them are doing. The roads have got lethal since lockdown. Yeah, the second reason is a special person in my life. It's taken 19 years for it to come full circle, and I'm back to where I should have been 19 years ago. So the last 19 years feels like a blur. I can't say it's been hard. I can't say it's been easy either. But I'm more happier now than I ever have been. Where's that police car gone? No, it's not coming my way. I think it's to my second home for a brew. Actually, no. Let's nip to Costa Coffee as meeting place for 5th of November. Yeah, as I keep saying, always remember to shoulder check. To Costa Coffee. Yeah, so this, guys, This is his meeting place for 5th of November. We're meeting at 10 o'clock in the morning. I have put, if you look at it, yeah, go through some of the previous videos, the postcode is there. So, right, just go get this coffee.